Hello friends, welcome to Building Web App YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the problem statement move zeros. Okay, here when an integer array, okay, we need to move all the zeros at the end while maintaining the relative order. Need to maintain the order like 1, 3, 12. Okay, we must do this in place without any copy of the array, which means we need to replace the elements like this 1, 3, 12 and move the zeros at the end. We do not need to create any copy of the array. This is what the question is. So here I am going to explain you. By maintaining the pointer, we can actually uh, give this output. So here x is one of the pointer and I is the loop which we going to run. Okay, so while we are running the loop, we will be checking whether this element is uh, not equal to 0. This element is 0, so we are moving to the next iteration. So here this element is not equal to 0. Yes, so this element is not equal to 0, so we need to move this one x place. So we will the one this place and remove the pointer here. This one will be there as it is. Okay, pointer is as of now. Again the loop continues, which is not equal to 0. Again the loop continues, which is not equal to 0. So we need to move 3 in position, right? To move 3 this place. Tell us we need to put a pointer, right? The pointer. Then the loop continues. Okay, we will be checking which is equal to 0. It's not equal. So we need to 12 in this. Here it would be 12. Tell us we need pointer. Again the loop will continue, so the loop ends. Then you can see 1, 3, 12 be sorted, which means the order, and 3, 12 it is still remaining in the nums array. So we need to run an extra loop from x till this length. So we will be replacing it to 0. Let me show in the code. To maintain a pointer. Okay, then I will run a loop. It will be starting. So then okay. Then I am checking the number. Each will should not be equal to 0. Not equal to 0. Then can replace like of x. Okay, that index, 0th index, will be replacing number. The replacing I will the x pointer. So here I need to replace, right? as 0. Once the end completes, I will run for loop. Okay, run one more loop. But I will start it from the exth 0, 1, 2, 3 this position, right? So of I equal to ex. That position I will be adding 0 as well as I will move the pointer, right? So if I'm moving means then I can add zeros here. So finally the condition will terminate. Okay, so let us run this code. Test case accepted. Yeah, is submitted successfully. So I think you have understood this problem. It is very easy. Please do like my video, share it with your friends, and thanks for watching. See you next.